July ni so bakat sang ni somni paruk ani hey le Donald Trump issues a strongest warning to Iran after alleged assassination plot Israel lampang khanin Iranin Trump hi tha antumani ti Donald Trump ate an vashria tir nu khan Trump pa thin rim khop mai ni rin lok ang nge hin mo Trump hian in warning natak mai apea tin tha ka ni chuan engkim ti tur ka buat sai lok fel vekto tin Trump hian in trong kamaron nei heng he bokani heng te hi evident kan ri ka nga chumi ma chon he kan en ho photang
I hun nei na zirlo wangin ini samhan lo ni mai thei I har sana chingfel turin Titan RK construction an ome I boipui ngai mi lovin soil test le building permit an boipui sak thei cha civil engineer architect monitoring na ngoya in hun lai atanga building sakzo thlengin an tho sak thei che ani tin I inchung chau chei that edu point red niam takin an koi sak thei bok che chu mai ba ka ceiling specialist an nia biak in le ko han building a red niam te in an siam sak thei boke I building hui to tak kha thia kher ngai lovin athom that na column strengthening retrofitting anti thei boke RK construction 8837 333
RK construction te lo be ve thep do nia le tu da zoni han rik le chanang
US President Donald Trump has issued his strongest warning yet to Iran.
Strongest warning yet to Iran. Warning pek to zong an nabir.
Declaring that any attempt to assassinate him would trigger overwhelming military retaliation.
Poimo kop mai Trump hi. Oh. Anta emo tha antum sim mo. Tha tuma Iranina ma an la sim ani chuan emo nakina lo thatta poni se tong thu chelawa mo. US lampang hian Iran rin phak bak base phak bak le an ngai tua na poina angai tua phak bak na in US lampang hian in sipai chak na mai ngain Iran hi an beidon ni tin Trump hian in warning a pe ani aturu khop mai he thila hi chumo khovelina ram thil ti thei ber kan ngai na khatianga warning an pe hi chu a oi ngoi ngoi ani hey intiran tu da Trump warning pe kha khoi moni trong mai lo ni lo se ram re thei ve de ulek ina warning a pek chu ni ta se kan oi lawang amaro chu khovela ram thil ti thei ber a president mewin khatiang warning a pek kha chonin a oi ngoi mai ani.
Now, the statement comes amid reports that Israel shared fresh intelligence with Washington about an alleged Iranian plot, prompting heightened security measures during Trump's recent foreign trip.
Tuna Trump Turkey han sin te po khan mo at khodam han te po kha thak nge sin in lo chi ke ama US president thona Air Force One kamo kha tun hai khan Qatar lampang in ning ga ria atharan pe ani athar mang khan Turkey han thok amaro chu aron hole lampang kha chuanin a hlui a mami kharon mang dei kha mitam takin zona an zota ni ngatinge a lo man don te po chu a gift don te po chu avaring om lo ve ti te po khanin journalist te po khan an zota Trump himau a film khur rem khop mai tu na Turkey nei to samita hanjin te po khan a chan chu anun na hi a der thong ti hi a thiam ve thawani Trump hian Iran hi boy pui lo win president hi tian ni mol satlia ve top se billionaire ania a thei don tu problem nei don lo Trump chuan mo amaro chu America ramtan le khobel ramtan hetiang hianin anun na thapin cheve tlat mai ni Trump pui hi chu van sonin hetiang hianin ati mi lo turang chi te hei thona a hanjina thona dangin ron hole khang ting te po ati kha angai ta media lampain an khel zui du khop mai ani.
And for more details, my colleague Jyotsna Kumar is joining us live. Over to you, Jyotsna.
Right, Desha, of course, this is not the first time that we have heard the U.S. president declaring a warning against Iran. Now, this one times is different, as you mentioned, is because Israel had shared this alleged Iranian assassination plot against Trump. Now, of course, President Donald Trump has said that, of course, he's responded that these tensions with Iran in a post, he's reacted to this. And I'm just going to quote him here in the post that he has posted on social platform Truth Social. He says that
I have just ordered the United States military that if Iran does in any way, shape or form attempt to assassinate President Donald J. Trump, they are to launch 1,000 missiles at Iran immediately with another 1,000 to follow if needed. Abahan turuem he Trump na order apek chu ani United States sipai te hi Iran ni na eng tikong zong po a President Donald J Trump hi tha min tum ani chuan missile sang khat mangin Iran hi in kap ngal turania ti chuan chu Mizo chuan atul ani chuanin missile dang sang khatin Iran hi in kap zui le theyang ting zo hen Trump hianin US sipai te thena hianin thu pe to ani hey Russia te po hi an president Vladimir Putin te poi lo thatta emo ramdangin Russia hi nuclear bomb mangin han bein Russia hi nuclear bomb kaple tu tura order pe tu hi nei lo ma se automaticin Russia chuanin khatianga beina to kha chuanin nuclear ral thom mang khanin an mani kap turam kha akablet ve thei don shrim o khatia khanin engkim kha an pe fel vek to ne an system khan mo thetianga Trump na order pe lo khi tha khati Russia ang chu han ni phachi alo ma se Trump hi an be shrim chuan hetiang hianin Iran hian an tuar don automatic kill switch kan ti ang kha khatiang kha Trump te po hian ti hianin arot implement khawvel zel don in alanga automatic kill switch anti hi ala manual deu khop maya Trump hi chumo amaro chu hetianga order an pe shrim hi atha ani they are to completely decimate and destroy all areas of Iran rampum pui hi khawvel atang hianin an nuai bo vek turani this authorization will remain in effect for 1 year hetianga Iran laka chet theihna tura US sipaite thu ka pek phalna ka pek hi kum khat chung ai effective anga kum khat azo huna atula ni chuanin kan extend le thayang we know exactly where they all are good luck Iran ho sipai poimo sipai officer poimo te an ram shoi tu poimo te hi tuna hianin an omna mun hi kan hrevekani all the best good luck te zo hianin Trump hian asai avan turu Iran hianin Trump hi tha tuma an be shima khatiang tumna shim kha an neya an tumlain manani chuan tiang hianin US sipai te hianin Iran hi khawvel me patang hianin nuai bo don chiang hle ti hi a chiang khop mai
missiles at Iran are in effect for 1 year luck. These reports coming in before the warning that came after Israel had reportedly shared intelligence with the U.S. It alleged that Iran had discussed a new plan to target Trump. Now, this is according to CNN that says that Israeli officials had passed information to Washington earlier this week.
CNN lampangina hethilian ron report ani amo CNN te hi chu Trump na fake news ati kha ani abaro chu tu da mi tak hi chu an ram president thile dam thuania chu wan sonin Trump te po hianin kha CNN in an report kha an lo chui chiang anga mo ke ni ta kan lo shet phak lem lo angchi CIA FBI te po an lo in rol nuk thei ni he thila hian mo an lo chui chiang anga secret service te thlengin an lo chui chiang anga chu wan sonin hi chu thil ni thei om takania anti awanga Trump na hetianga US sipai te hena po thu pe ani kha chiang ta ani he Iran lampang hianin tu na hianin ama tang to hanin Trump hi than lo tum to thrina an tum ani ve mai amaro chu tu na hianin atharin an lo tum le ni na langa he Trump hi angai dan ni lo khop mai ni
raising fresh concerns within the U.S. national security establishment. While some American officials did treat the intelligence seriously, the others have reportedly questioned whether Israel was also seeking to influence U.S. policy towards Iran by highlighting this alleged threat.
Hey hibo US official tam takte chuanin an lo ngai thu takin an lo ngai poimo khop maya amai ro chu tema ngai to na sang deuh hlek nei chuanin ngoi tu wa hetiang hi Israelin an ron soi ania tuna Iran te ne na deal sign kan tu ma hi heta hianin engemo thalo zo ngemo Israel dudan US om theihna turatan hian hetiang hian Israel lampang hianin hemi information tam tak zinga pakhat hi an ron highlight deuh big ani theim ti zonak nei pol kha an om vele bok ani.
Now, it's important to also note that this report also led to tighter security around Trump's overseas travel. We know he traveled for the NATO summit. And during his return from the NATO summit in Turkey, Trump had unexpectedly switched from a newly refurbished aircraft to an older Air Force One for part of the journey.
Atira po ha soi habo. Akal lampang hanin Air Force One tharin akal aron ho lampang chuanin Air Force One luizo khan ron thlo dai.
Now, U.S. official did say that the move was recommended that because the newer aircraft does not yet have the full defensive capabilities of the traditional presidential plane.
Official te chuanin hethil hi chu kan ti tumve hrim le kan recommend ania a chan chu US a thona thar president thona thar hi chuanin ama le ama a invent theihna tur defensive capabilities ang kha a hlui ang khanin ala nei vek lowa chuwang chuanin a hlui zokin a ron thlok khole ani kha anti ve thunga
and making it less suitable amid heightened security concerns.
Now tuna hian hetiang hianin Trump anu na hi der thong thei hlek anga an dina wang hian hetiang hianin security ti tai tangai boxia hetiang zong hianin ma kan lata ni ti ni
Trump had otherwise publicly denied that the aircraft change was linked to any specific threat, describing it instead as a personal choice. Now the official
Trump ero hi chuanin security lampang po ni lo hei chu ke ma du dan ve shrim shrim ani ti sam le et me Trump pa chuan mo
officials familiar with the matter say that the decision was taken as a precaution following the intelligence warning from Mizo. Now all of this is connecting to, of course, the post that Trump has posted on Truth Social. We'll have to wait and see how much
kha ani tun trum news satana kan han ri kan han soi zau thei chu mo a poi mo khop mai ni he thi la hi chu Trump pa order pek po kha pui rem reme engamo be an tum shim shim ani chuan Trump patha an tum shim shim ani ha chuan in US pai te hianin Iran hi khawvel atangin an nuai bo don ti hi a chiang to hle ani a video le in mule thep do ni